Here we go again, another tax tip this week. And this week I'm going to talk about an article I read on Forbes. It's an issue that has been going on for quite some time, and it has to do with tax return preparers. And basically last year the IRS tried to regulate, let's say, tax return preparers and require them to do continuing education, to have a annual license renewal, basically making sure that the public is protected. And it went all the way to the courts, and the IRS was stopped from regulating tax return preparers, paid preparers I should say. And that is really not a good thing for the population, for the general public. The reason I say that is CPAs, enrolled agents, tax attorneys, they are all already a body of professionals that are supposed to follow rules and ethics and have continuing education every year. So that is something that it's important for the public. That helps protect the public against scammers and fraud. So by doing that, the courts basically allowed tax return preparers that are paid to do that service not to have any type of oversight. And recently that has been brought up again to Congress, and there is a highly likelihood that that will pass. And hopefully that's my wish, I should say, that passes, because you shouldn't be having your taxes prepared unless if it is really simple. Then that's okay. If you have an uncle that knows a little bit, or a family member that knows a little bit, and you have them help you, that's fine. But in a lot of cases, when you have extra things going on in your financial life, I wouldn't suggest going to a tax preparer that is getting paid for the services and they have no license, no body that is overseeing what they do. That is not a very wise decision. So my tax tip for this week, it's simple, but I think it may save you a lot of headache. I'm not saying that all CPAs, tax attorneys, or enrolled agents are great and won't make mistakes, but you'll be a lot more protected because they're following rules and with the body that they are supposed to answer to. If there is a CPA, they have the accountancy board of their state. If it is a tax attorney, they have the bar of their state as well. So that is very important. So my tip is for you to look for a professional that has a license in their field. If you're talking about tax preparation, make sure they're enrolled agents, CPAs, or a tax attorney, to make sure you're getting professional service to prepare your taxes. Okay, so just a reminder about that. A lot of people think or didn't know that for you don't need anything to prepare taxes. So as you're watching this video, if you decide to buy TurboTax and prepare some taxes and get paid for it, there is no rule right now that will preclude you from doing that. But hopefully pretty soon that will change, and people that get paid to prepare taxes will have to do continuing education, will have to renew their P10, as we call it, the Practitioner's Tax Identification Number, with the IRS, and that will help the public a lot. So that's my tip for this week. I hope you have a great day and a great rest of the week, and see you next time.